Hi everybody, Dr. Mounts again, and I wanted to tell you some interesting information, something that's kind of new, something that you probably were not even really aware of, and that is that there are actually some people out there who are scared to go to the dentist. Now I know that's probably kind of crazy to some of you, but it's true. There are people out there who do not like to go to the dentist. It was crazy to me when I first found that out because I am a dentist and I just kind of felt like who wouldn't want to come see us? But turns out there are people who don't like it. For the most part, those folks out there, they don't like it because of bad experiences they've had in the past. And yes, I do understand that. There have been lots of times when patients before have had really bad experiences. Most of those folks, the thing is that they just, after the bad experiences, they quit going. And if you're one of those people, you know what I'm talking about. You have a bad trip, things don't go well, and then the anxiety gets so high, you're just done with it. And I understand that, but I'd like to tell you that a lot of things have really changed in dentistry. So if you're one of those people, I really hope that you'll come in and give us a chance to kind of show you how things have changed. There are a lot of things out there that we can do now that help with the anxiety. First off, I mean, you can go to extremes of just being totally put to sleep, and there have been a few patients that we do that for. It's a great experience. You come in, we just put you to sleep and do everything all in one visit. You wake up and it's all done and you don't have to worry about it because you don't know anything that happened. So it's a really nice way to do it. But not everybody needs that amount of treatment to overcome their anxiety. So there are other things you can do with just some mild sedation, with some medications that you can take before you come in, or even just the nitrous, because that's a big help for most folks. But I'll tell you, in our practice, really what we try to do is we try to establish a very comfortable atmosphere and a very comfortable relationship with our patients. That's what we're shooting for. And what I found is that people who have had bad experiences in the past, they've been able to come here and they've been able to get relaxed because of the people that I have here with me. I feel like we do a great job of helping our patients just get comfortable with being here. We kind of ease patients into the procedures. We don't get in a hurry. There's nothing pushy about what we do. It's just a really laid back, easygoing atmosphere. And what I found is that the people who have had the bad experiences in the past, when they get in that kind of atmosphere and we start having some good visits, they just build, and by the time we're done, they're extremely comfortable coming here. It's easy to get their work done, and I really feel like at that point we've made a big difference in their lives. We've gotten their teeth fixed, which is a huge deal, but also we've just made it to where they have been able to overcome that fear, and so now they're able to keep a good routine of going to the dentist and keeping things nice and clean and healthy in their mouths. If you're one of those folks and you've been away from the dentist for a while and you've got a high anxiety level, I would love for you to come in. Let's just sit down and visit. Let's just talk about what's going on, what your anxieties are, and talk to you about some of the different ways we can help you overcome those. I think you would find that we can really help you out and really keep the anxiety levels down for you. Make this a much more comfortable experience than what you're used to.